What's up, guys? This is Nerd in the Hood here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a top out of Knex. So let's get started. So we're gonna need 8 of these pieces and 4 of these pieces, 1 of these pieces, 4 of these pieces, 4 of these, 4 of these, 1 of those, 4 of these, 4 of these red pieces, and 2 of these. So now we're going to start building. So we're going to take this piece and this piece, put it inside of there, and then put that one on and put it down. And make sure it's down all the way. And then put this one on the opposite side of it. So you see how this one's on this side? So this one is on this side. Now, next we're going to take these ones and put them right here. Skip this one, put it there. Skip this one, put it here. Skip this one and put it here. So it should look like this right now. Now we're going to take these ones and fill in the rest of the white piece. And it should look like this. Now we're going to take these ones and put them right here, right here, right here, and right here. So now it should look like this. And then we will take these ones and put them on the green ones, just like this. This middle one right here should go on the green part. And fill that in, put that on the rest of the green ones. Now we need these ones right here. Put it right there, right there. Fill in the rest of the reds. Just all the reds on the sides of the reds. Like that. Like that. Like that. That. And then like that. And now we're going to take these ones and connect them to the gray pieces, to both gray ones, like that. Just like that. And then do that for the rest of the gray pieces. Like that, that one right there, and there we go. Now, last part, we take these ones, these yellow ones, and put them on the purple one and the yellow one. And then do that to the rest of them, the purple one and the yellow one. The purple one, the yellow one. And finally the purple one and yellow one. Now, we're finished. So there you go. There's the top, and I hope you guys liked it. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what else you want me to make or build or do videos about. Bye. See you next time.